Hi, today I'm going to show how to wrap a gift for Diwali or any festive occasion. Material required are a basket, a cane basket, golden spray paint, some tissue cloth for decoration. I've used golden and orange, a golden colored cord, rose paper flowers, mogra paper flowers, a decoration piece, florist brick, some thin wire, and a diya or an earthen pot. Use the spray according to the directions given on it. You have to shake it well. Now just spray the gold paint on the diya, moving it all around so it's well coated. This is how it will look. Make sure to do this outside and let it dry now. Take the golden cord, tie a knot on the basket, on the handle. Then just wind the golden cord on the handle. Like this. When you reach the other end, tie a knot here also and apply glue on the knot. This is how the handle would look. Try to evenly space out the cord and apply. Don't forget to apply glue on the knot. This will just make sure that it stays. Take the florist brick and the thin wire. First just wrap the thin wire around the brick, not very tightly, otherwise it will cut through. And you have a bit of wire extending. Take the basket and put the wire through it. Like this, if you can make out, and put the other one also, and then just tie it. This is how it looks. It's almost secure. The idea being that when we put the flowers in it, it won't move, it won't fall out of the basket. And this is available at any florist with the wire also. So now just put the roses. I've made them in two colors, red and orange. So just put them in any way you want. Like this. This is how the roses would look. You can add more or less according to you. Now just push the leaves, sort of hide the brick. Just position them. Now take the tissue cloth and put it on the basket in such a way that you hide the brick from the side and let a little bit of the edge of the paper, the cloth hang over the basket. So you don't have to fold it, just sort of put it. Now I've taken the orange one also, so put it in the same way. like this. Now put your gifts as you want, any gift that you would like to put in the box. So just arrange it attractively. Like this. Now this decoration that we've made, you can stick it here. So I'll just take some sellotape, make a circle of it, stick it behind the flower that I've made, and stick it on the, so this sort of balances the whole thing. Now just arrange your gifts attractively in the basket, whatever you want to give. So just then take this decoration piece that I've made in a previous video. The link I've included earlier. So now take just a bit of sellotape, make it into a circle, stick it at the back, and stick this on one of the gifts. So this will balance out the rose with the glittering decoration piece. And then as a finishing touch, just fill a diya, the one which we painted, with mogra flowers, paper mogra flowers, and just fit it here. And here's your basket, a very pretty gift anybody would love to receive.